The word sustainability, which 25 years ago was really not in use at all, suddenly is now used everywhere, and it means a million different things.
To me, it's really about the well-being of everyone else.
It's about changing mindsets.
The ability for humanity to thrive on the planet.
Using your feet more than using a car.
It's about knowledge, it's about processes, it's about partnership building, and it's about vision.
This is a game that we need to be in. The campus is really the city because we don't survive, we don't sustain unless the city that we're in sustains as well.
We have, per square foot, one of the most energy-intensive campuses in the world.
We're at the beginning of grappling with this issue.
We thought about, what would it take to get MIT to be net zero waste on campus? How do we measure and reduce the amount of material handling that we do?
You need all the stakeholders together to talk about it from all the different perspectives. So I'm really looking forward to getting an opportunity to learn those perspectives and maybe step out of my comfort zone a little bit.
It's an opportune time to really think about what the campus should look like in 2025, in 2030, not only from the physical and design standpoint, from the operations, from the research mission, but also from the sustainability. What do we experiment with, and what do we prove can be done?
We know we have to do things differently. We have to be more efficient with our resources.
Our macro view was reduce fossil fuel dependency. Our micro view was maximize passive strategies.
The challenges we face now with climate change are existential challenges for humanity over the long term, but in the near term, profound economic and humanitarian challenges.
We talked about all the data that everyone is generating and that it's really compelling when you can create information graphics that help people understand that data and actually make decisions.
Turn things off, turn things down strategies. All this requires assurance and trust in the research community that their research won't be impacted negatively.
We've had great representation here today of a real diversity of staff. We've had faculty here, we've had students here.
I see the issue of climate change in general as a social justice issue.
Technology is no longer the bottleneck. We have so many of the technologies we need to begin taking climate action. And what we really lack is the societal and especially political will to really take meaningful action.
What would you do to solve this problem? Rather than being prescriptive about the solutions, just saying, this is what we're trying to do, and then what MIT does best is innovate.
The question really becomes for MIT, does it want to be a leader in sustainability?
This whole effort is about capacity building the capacity of an institution to deal with truly complex issues.
MIT has a huge opportunity for its scientists to play a larger role in making relevant climate science to decision-making contexts and working with the city of Boston, Cambridge, the broader New England region, and globally to help people make decisions based on what we know is going to happen in terms of disruption.
Today went a long way toward all of us having a common understanding what sustainability means to MIT.
As we're reflecting on today as an opportunity to connect on sustainability, I think that we've got some real successes there, and I think we also have room to grow.